Welcome to Dubai Daily, your essential morning briefing on Dubai's dynamic real estate market. This is episode 25 for Tuesday, December 2nd, 2025.
And a very good morning to you. This podcast is brought to you by Parag Kundalwal, founder and CEO of Consulta, a leading Dubai-based real estate consulting and global capital advisory firm. Today, we're looking ahead at the first week of December and what's shaping up for the rest of the year.
Absolutely. And to understand where we're going, we have to look at where we've just been. November 2025 was, to put it mildly, an exceptional month.
Exceptional is the right word, Daniel. The total transaction value is estimated to have hit AED 42.5 billion. We also saw sales volumes increase by approximately 18% year-on-year across all property types. The momentum is undeniable.
It really is. If we drill down, the final week of the month, week 44, recorded AED 9.95 billion across more than 5,200 transactions. What's interesting is the continued dominance of the off-plan market.
That's right. Off-plan transactions accounted for nearly 64% of that value, at AED 6.34 billion, with the secondary or ready market making up the remaining AED 3.61 billion. It shows where investor confidence is right now.
And the year-to-date figures are staggering. Through October, total property transactions hit AED 559.4 billion, which already surpasses the previous full-year record. It's been a record-breaking year by any measure.
It certainly has. This performance is reflected in property prices, of course. The average price per square foot is now around 1,692 UD, a nearly 7% increase. In prime locations like downtown Dubai, Palm Jumeirah, and Dubai Marina, we've seen month-on-month price increases between 1.5% and 2.2%. And crucially, rental yields in those areas remain very strong, averaging between 6.5% and 7.8%.
Those are solid returns. Now, looking ahead, December is shaping up to be a significant launch period. Developers are clearly looking to capitalize on this strong market momentum.
They are. We're watching for continued activity from Emaar, especially in Dubai Creek Harbour, and Damac Properties is expanding its footprint in Damac Hills. There's also Cora Properties' new luxury project, Il Vento, in Dubai Maritime City, which is an area gaining a lot of traction.
And we can't forget Palm Jebel Ali. The redevelopment there continues to progress, offering a really diverse mix of property options that will be coming to market.
One interesting dynamic to watch is the potential mismatch in supply and demand. There's incredibly high demand for luxury villas and high-end apartments. However, many developers are prioritizing high-density apartment projects. With Dubai's population growth outpacing the delivery of new housing, we could see a shortage of villas and townhouses emerge.
That's a key point for family-focused buyers to consider. Now, December is also a busy month for industry events. What's on the calendar, Lily?
Well, this coming weekend, December 6th and 7th, we have the India Property Show at the Crown Plaza, Dubai. It's a great platform for exploring real estate opportunities back in India. Following that, from December 8th to the 12th is the big one, the World Realty Congress 2025, bringing together professionals from across the globe.
It's a packed schedule, and this all happens during the holiday season, which has its own unique impact on the market.
It does. December is the peak of Dubai's cooler season, which historically sees an increase in property transactions as pleasant weather attracts more visitors and potential investors. This flows directly into the short-term rental market.
Exactly. Demand surges for vacation rentals and serviced apartments. Forecasts suggest short-term rental prices could see an average increase of 18% this year. Areas like downtown, the Marina and the Palm will likely see full occupancy and very high yields through the winter months.
So, let's pull all this together into a forecast for the final quarter. What's the outlook for Q4 2025?
The consensus is for steady momentum. The key drivers remain strong population growth, up almost 4.5% in the last year, visa accessibility, and developers diversifying their offerings. We're expecting price growth of 3 to 5% in high-end locations to round out the year.
And in the mid-tier communities, we're likely to see price stability, supported by those strong rental yields and good mortgage incentives. The luxury segment will continue to lead, but we're also seeing a clear shift towards mid-market, family-centric communities, where lifestyle infrastructure and quality amenities are the main draw.
The big variable, as always, is supply. We're on track for about 42,000 residential units to be delivered this year, which is the highest number in years. The upcoming completions in 2026 are expected to moderate any short-term price pressures. In fact, some analysts predict certain communities could see prices drop by 10 to 15% as that new supply is absorbed.
Which brings us to the overall state of the market as we approach the year's end. The word I keep hearing is normalizing. After a period of rapid growth, the market is entering a more mature phase with more options and balanced pricing, which is ultimately a positive sign for both buyers and renters.
I agree. It's a sign of a healthy, sustainable market. And factors like the updated golden visa rules with reduced investment thresholds are only increasing accessibility and encouraging long-term ownership. Dubai is really cementing its reputation as one of the world's most transparent and investor-friendly real estate markets.
It's an exciting time, and we'll be diving much deeper into all of this in our comprehensive year-end market wrap-up in the coming weeks. We'll analyze 2025's full performance and provide our detailed forecasts for 2026.
We certainly will. For now, that's your week-ahead preview. Dubai Daily is here for you every Monday to Friday to keep you informed.
And a big thank you to our sponsor, Parag Khandelwal at Consulta. For expert advisory, you can find Parag Khandelwal on LinkedIn. Visit the website at consultadxb.com or email him at parag@consultadxb.com.
You can also reach him by phone at +971 585 96 4631. Thanks for tuning in and have a productive day.